Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Guitar Tuner, GuitarTunio app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. GuitarTunio is a mobile tuning app designed to help musicians accurately tune their instruments, including acoustic and electric guitars, bass, ukulele, and violin. It uses the device microphone to detect pitch in real time and provides both automatic and manual tuning modes. The app also offers alternate tunings, pitch calibration, and a built-in metronome to support practice sessions. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. The app is praised for its simple, clean interface and quick response, making tuning fast and straightforward. Users appreciate the variety of instrument support and the flexibility to choose between automatic and manual tuning. The metronome and pitch calibration features are additional bonuses for serious players looking to practice with precision. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional microphone sensitivity issues that affect tuning accuracy, and ads in the free version can be distracting. While it works well for most standard instruments, advanced musicians may wish for more detailed customization options or additional tuning features. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the GuitarTunio app may be worth using if you need a reliable, easy-to-use tuner for multiple instruments. It excels in convenience, accuracy, and beginner-friendly design. However, if you need highly advanced tuning options or an ad-free experience without paying, it may not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.